From the age of 5, I was taking part of the production process of tea by harvesting and selling it to a factory. Through my research at Carnegie Mellon University, I discovered that technology could play a vital role in improving the entire production process of tea. My innovation integrates the Internet of Things technologies. Proprietary hardware like this one, which I'm using, I've designed this sensor and manufactured it with appropriate data requirements. I've integrated seamless long-range communications from distant tea farms to factories where I'm deploying like this one to deliver real-time data analytics for the entire tea value chain. The sensors that I've deployed inside the factory, as I demonstrated earlier, push data that is generated from the tea to a machine learning platform through this base station. This is a LoRaWAN base station and broadcasts about 10-kilometer range, giving me coverage. Once data arrives at the machine learning platform, I'm able to filter it, sort it, and push it further to an analytics platform that is used by the interested parties at the factory through a mobile phone or a laptop like this one or a dashboard to probably eventually achieve what they want, like actuation of a certain action or also controlling the entire production inside the factory. With my sensors and analytics, I am driving the quality production desired in tea manufacturing, and that is without worrying about the weather outside or inside the factory. But again, having all this implemented or deployed here means that you are able to maintain the quality that is desired, and you're able to consistently achieve the market price that you want. This could go beyond the East African region, and it also means that we could reverse engineer that perfect cup of tea that you take on a daily basis. This innovation is helping manufacturers like these ones that I'm deploying with to improve the quality of tea produced, but also maintaining it and gradually achieving a better price. This means that they are able to predict their payments, but also the payments of farmers, which also gradually increase and helping them to see their way out of poverty.